Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I will be showing you guys how to make straw slime. And someone who helped me was my friend Jaslyn. I know she watched my video. Thank you so much for helping me with this video. I'm in love with straw slime now. Thanks. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make straw slime, and it's super easy and you barely need any ingredients and things like that. So let's get started. Okay, so the things you guys will be needing is a bowl and something to mix with. You'll be needing scissors, a couple of straws, and that could be as many straws as you'd like. Your activator, and that's whatever activator that you guys can use. And lastly, lotion, and I'm using body lotion from Bath & Body Works. Oh, not lastly, of course you have to have glue for your slime.
Change will change your mind. I could give 1,000 reasons why, and I know you, and you got to take it on your own, but we don't have to go there. We can stay forever young. Living on my sofa, drinking my cola underneath the rising sun. I could give 1,000 reasons why, but you're going, and you know that all you have to do is wait a minute. Just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so stay.
So this is a consistency on where you know that you're really close to done on finishing.
Take it on my own, but I don't wanna grow up. We can stay forever young. Living on my sofa, drinking rum and cola underneath the rising sun. I could give a million reasons why, but you're going, and you know that all you have to do is stay a minute. Just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so stay.
Alright, so here's a finished product of the slime, and it's just the base of the straw slime. So now we're moving on to what makes it a straw slime. So you have to take how many straws you have, and you just want to cut very small parts of the straws.
Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man in the jukebox.
So here are the straws, and practically you just take your slime, and there's so many different ways you could put the straws in your slime, but I just started like pressing the straws into the slime.
For my wrist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see any type of video that you guys want to see, comment down below so maybe I could do the video. I don't know. So see you guys next time. Bye. Pew.